Shani guys, and welcome back to the Paseta School YouTube channel. My name is Suchaya Zamashele in Tukulwakamnisi Memalefani. Just wanted to give you a quick update on the garden. I know we haven't done that in a long time, so just wanted to show you how the crops are doing, what's grown, what I'll be taking out, changes that I'll be making. So this is just basically a quick one to keep you updated and hopefully also encourage you to start if you still haven't started with your own gardening. So here we've got the marigold, which I did say I am planting so that we can attract bees to the garden. As you can see, she has finally started flowering and she's got those beautiful bright yellow flowers there. And I've also transferred my castor bean plant to there so that she's not growing with the tomatoes anymore. And here's my tomatoes. So they've gotten quite big. I do need to get poles to support them. I keep saying I'll do it. I haven't had a chance to, especially with all the rain that we've been having. But so there are the tomatoes coming through. The garden has gotten quite big. Everything has grown. Let's just go this side. Here's my nasturtium plant. She's also started flowering. Those beautiful red plants there. She's also started spreading along the floor, which is great because that will assist me to also be able to prevent all my water from evaporating. I do keep finding spinach in between here, but I'll pull it out at a later stage. And then here's more of my marigolds that's flowering there as well. And then here are my peppers. My peppers haven't grown so well. It is because they don't get a lot of sun where they are growing, but this one here is about to flower. So even though she's very small in terms of the height, she will start flowering because I guess she's mature enough to, even though she's not big enough to in terms of size. And then that's my beetroot. The beetroot is coming up nicely and looking very beautiful. No marigold there. And then this is my section with the herbs. So the herbs have grown quite a lot. They've grown really, really tall. And the coriander has started flowering. She's making those beautiful little plants there. So we'll be getting coriander seeds soon, which is great because you can use that for the spice as well. The dill is also really nice and tall. I did harvest some dill previously, which I am busy drying out in the house. The cabbage patch is being overrun here by this gem squash, but the cabbage patch didn't do so well. If you look closely there, you can see my cabbage is infested with aphids. I'm actually going to be pulling all my cabbages out because they do seem to also be attracting a lot of pests, and I don't genuinely have the patience to try clean off the pests. I know you could use some neem oil to try get rid of it. Also just washing them down with some water and sunlight dish liquid could work, but like I'm saying, I really don't like aphids, so I've decided I'm just going to pull out the whole patch. And also because the gem squash is taking over, I'd rather just give her this space instead of holding on to the cabbage. And then this was, if you watched previous videos, we were not sure, well, I wasn't sure what I was growing here. So it turns out that I have some gem squash growing here. I love gem squash. So I'm excited about that. I've got some couple of gem squashes here that are doing really nicely. And then the spinach is also still doing great. I think I haven't harvested in about 2 weeks. So it's really grown nice and big. I'm happy with the spinach. It's healthy. It doesn't have any pests. I do see some of my leaves do have some of a bit of a milky juice. So I'll break those off to get rid of them so it doesn't spread to the other leaves. And then when we go this side, this is the Hubbard pumpkin. And there's our surprise. Look at how nice and big she's getting. I'm excited. And there's another one here. And the corn is looking big. So I did insert a net and it's clearly not high enough for my corn. The corn is getting really, really big. I'm starting to get the corn hair here, which is telling me that very soon she'll be ready to give me corn. There's some actually coming up here. So if you look there, that's gonna be corn in there. So it looks like I'm ready to harvest on most fronts of my garden. And then the potatoes are here. They're also going into flowering stage. Obviously with the potatoes we need to wait until the plant completely dies out before we can harvest. So we still have some way to go with that. But otherwise I'm happy. And then we've got the beetroot that is growing this side. Just move the tomatoes there. The beetroot that's growing this side as well, still doing very healthy. And then some more tomatoes here. So generally the garden is doing good. The pumpkin has gone on to climb on my pomegranate bush here. Taking over the whole garden. But everything is looking good. We've got some bees flying around. I don't know if I can capture it. He's moving a bit too fast. I think I got him. But that's it. That's basically all that's been happening. So today I'm going to be removing the weeds, getting rid of some of the leaves that are not as healthy, moving them out, supporting my tomatoes as well. I need to remove weeds from that whole section there. But otherwise, I am happy with the progress. Everything is looking great. So that's it for today. That was just a quick update. Hopefully, it does encourage you to also start planting. And I'll show you when I do finally get my corn in and start harvesting that. But generally, I am happy with it. Everything has turned out pretty okay. I don't think I can complain too much. Outside of the cabbage, everything else went well. That's it for today. Please do remember to follow us on all our social platforms. We are available on X. We are available on Facebook. We are available on YouTube. We're also available on TikTok. It's Paseta School. And we also do have a website that you can go into to look at and get more information. Please don't forget to also check out all our previous videos where we are showing you how far we are with the building. Don't forget to encourage everybody around you to be part of this movement of Paseta, to be part of the initiative, to also contribute their 50 Rand towards our campaign to build a school. And thank you very much for all the support. And if you've made it this far, we really do appreciate you. Please don't forget to share and like all our content, and please do subscribe as well. Ayahole Paseta. Thank you.